You know what nobody's paying attention to right now? A company in Tokyo just proved that the rulebook we have been using for AI development is about to get thrown out. And I am not talking about another chatbot upgrade. I am talking about machines that figure things out on their own without anyone teaching them. This is the kind of shift that separates people who see opportunities early from people who wonder what happened 2 years from now. Let me show you what I mean. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there is free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. My name is Paul James. I have spent years tracking how AI tools can create leverage for people who do not have big budgets or fancy connections. And what just dropped out of Integral AI is different from anything I have seen before. This is not incremental improvement. This is a completely different approach to how these systems operate. Here is what has been holding AI back until now. Every tool you have ever used needs someone to prepare massive data sets before it can function. You have to collect thousands or millions of examples. You have to label them. You have to train the model. Then after all that work, you still have to supervise it because it cannot handle situations it was not specifically trained for. That is expensive. That is slow. And it creates a ceiling on what these tools can actually accomplish. Think about how you learned to ride a bike. Nobody gave you a database of 10,000 bike riding examples. You got on, you fell over, you adjusted your balance, you tried again, you figured it out through trial and error. That is how humans learn. But AI has never worked that way, until potentially right now. Here is where this gets interesting. Integral AI is run by Jad Tarifi, who used to work at Google for 10 years on AI research. He left Silicon Valley completely and moved to Tokyo to build this. And that decision tells you something important. Japan has been the global leader in robotics and manufacturing automation for decades. While tech companies in California were obsessing over language models and image generators, this team focused on something harder, getting AI into physical machines that can adapt and learn in real environments. Most people never realize this part. The breakthrough is not just about smarter software. It is about software that can teach itself in real time when it encounters something brand new. No human intervention, no preloaded training. The system observes, experiments, and improves on its own. Now let me introduce what I am calling the independent learning loop. This is my framework for understanding what Integral AI built. Here's how it works in simple terms. The system is given a task it has never seen before. It tries different approaches, it evaluates what works and what does not. It refines its strategy, and it keeps iterating until it masters the skill. All of that happens autonomously. They did not just claim this works. They set 3 specific benchmarks to prove it. First, the system has to learn completely new skills without any training data or human guidance. Second, it has to learn safely without causing damage or unpredictable behavior. Third, it has to use energy comparable to what a human brain would use for the same learning process. Those are not marketing buzzwords. Those are testable criteria. And according to their team, they have already demonstrated this with robots performing physical tasks. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. The reason this matters for you is leverage. Right now, when you use AI tools, you are limited by how much time you can spend prompting them, checking their work, and correcting mistakes. You are still the bottleneck. But if systems can genuinely learn on their own and improve without constant supervision, that changes the equation entirely. Let me give you a practical scenario. Imagine you are a freelance designer working with clients in 3 different industries. Right now, you might use AI to speed up certain tasks, but you still have to manage every project manually. You are the one who knows what good work looks like for each client. You are the one making judgment calls. Now imagine a system that watches how you work, identifies the patterns in your decision-making, and starts handling routine projects on its own, not following rigid templates, actually adapting to new client requests based on what it learned from watching you. You just went from being a solopreneur who can handle 5 projects a month to someone overseeing 20 projects a month because the system is executing while you focus on strategy and client relationships. That is not theoretical. That is the direction autonomous learning takes us. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Here is the part that most people are going to miss until it smacks them in the face. We have been operating under the assumption that AI tools will get gradually better over the next few years. Gradual improvement, steady progress, but autonomous learning does not work that way. Once a system can teach itself, improvement becomes exponential instead of linear. It compounds. Day 1, it learns 1 skill. Day 10, it has learned 5 skills. Day 30, it is mastering skills faster than you can keep up with. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. When I was living in my brother's garage trying to build something with no money and barely any time, I would have killed for this kind of leverage. The ability to set something in motion and have it actually improve without me being involved in every single step. That is what autonomous systems unlock. Now let me paint you a picture of what this looks like in action. Let us say you run a small content agency. You have been using AI to draft blog posts and social media content, but you still have to edit everything heavily because the output is generic. With a self-teaching system, you could feed it your best performing content from the past year. The system analyzes what made those pieces work. It identifies your tone, your structure, your audience preferences. Then it starts creating new content that matches that standard. And here's the key part. When a piece performs well or poorly, the system notices and adjusts its approach for the next one. You did not program that adjustment. It learned it. You just freed yourself from being the editor on every single piece of content. Now you can scale your output or take on bigger clients while the system handles production. Here is where everything clicks. This is not just one company making a bold claim. Multiple research labs are converging on similar breakthroughs right now. The underlying technology is advancing across the board. When you see that kind of convergence, it means the fundamentals have shifted. And the people who recognize that early are the ones who position themselves ahead of the curve. The architecture Integral AI is using is modeled after human brain structure, specifically the parts responsible for learning and adaptation. This is not a narrow system trained to do one task really well. This is a framework designed to acquire new capabilities across different domains, similar to how you can learn to cook, drive, and speak a foreign language using the same brain. Now, I want to be realistic with you. We are still waiting on independent researchers to verify these claims. Other labs need to test and replicate the results. But even if this technology is only partially as capable as advertised, it still represents a fundamental leap forward. And it means timelines are compressing faster than most people expected. Think about what your business looks like 6 months from now if you start building with this in mind. You are not just using tools that follow instructions. You are designing systems that get smarter over time. You are creating leverage that builds on itself instead of resetting to zero every day. That is a completely different operating model. The creators and business owners who thrive in the next 12 months will be the ones who understand this transition. They will stop thinking about AI as software they manage and start thinking about it as capability they deploy. And the people who keep waiting for things to stabilize are going to find themselves competing against systems that outpace them daily. Here is what I know for sure. The tools available to you right now are the least capable they will ever be. Every advancement from this point forward makes them faster, smarter, and more autonomous. The only question is whether you are positioning yourself to benefit from that trajectory or whether you are hoping it slows down so you can catch up later. Picture how much easier content creation becomes once this becomes your normal. You wake up, you check what your systems accomplished overnight, you make strategic decisions about direction, you let the systems execute. That is not science fiction. That is the workflow that autonomous learning enables. When I was starting out with almost nothing, I had to do everything manually. Every piece of leverage I could find mattered. AI tools gave me some of that leverage, but they still required constant attention. What we are moving toward is leverage that compounds without constant input. That is the game changer. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you go high level because there is free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. This is not hype, this is positioning. The shift is real. And the people who see it coming are the ones who will build something meaningful with it.